guys, for today's video, me and my cousin is gonna be playing slap battles. Let's go! OMG, my slap is so...
Oh, bro.
I think I just played this game a little.
I'm new here, so I don't know what to do.
Oh!
Someone is flying.
Bro, why can't I hit them?
Is that
Yes, I hit someone.
normal? Someone is flying.
No,
Like
I
crazy.
think
No,
it's
no,
not
no, no,
no.
no.
No, I died. Did I die?
No.
Never mind.
No, no, no.
Where?
That
Oh, someone.
that flying
No,
guy. That
there's a hacker.
That hacker guy killed me, really, bro.
There's a hacker.
Stop this. Oh my god.
Yes,
Yo!
I almost slapped the bacon off. Let's team up on this bacon, bro. No, what's that? There. He died, bro.
Bro died.
Slap this dude. Slap him. Bro, how is he flying like that?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, unlock diamond. What does that mean? Ay!
Yes, I slapped him
Oh
off.
my god.
I almost got hit by the stone.
It's so OP. I died.
No. The hacker, the hacker. Bro, the hacker killed me. No, there's... No, I died again. No way. No way. What slap should I use now? Do I have the full slap? Oh, I do. Wait. I'm gonna try the full slap. What does this even do, bro? Bro, what's that? Bro, what is happening? Oh, they're gonna play the other way. Okay. OMG. There's a hacker, bro. Yes, I knocked that guy off. That green bean. No.
I'm back, guys.
Oh yeah, my cousin just did something for... I don't know. He just did something. I'm gonna slap this green bean off. No. Yes, I slapped him off.
Ay!
Yes.
Oh
No.
my god.
No.
This bacon
No.
is targeting me. Like, targeting me.
Need to go back. Need more slap. No. OMG, I didn't die. No way. No.
Hey dog, get some ice cream? Only a spoonful.
Yes. Slap him, bro. There. He's right here. This guy. No. Yes. No.
Bro, why can't I
I'm at
get
238 slaps. 239. Need more.
Bro,
Come on, bro. 240. Yes, I slapped someone. Yes, slapped him again. Yes, slap.
I'm stuck.
No, you will get out somehow. I think there's a guy stuck there too. I think.
You can't wait.
Oh, did this bacon. Okay.
I can't wait po. Am I lagging? No, I am not lagging.
The stone is... You're lagging, bro. The stone is not there.
What?
Only a spoonful.
Oh my gosh, why
What
this?
are you doing?
Okay. This bacon, bro. Okay. I joined the slap tournament. Let's see. Slap battles tournament.
Yo.
No! This is not a pay to win one.
This one. 25 hours, right?
Come on, bro.
You play there, I'ma play in normal arena.
Okay.
Why is no one here? Are you all in slap tournament?
I think so.
I'm lonely here.
Try to find someone, bro.
No, I can find someone. What is this? Some like
Come on, bro. Just die, you green bean. Come on, bro. Fall off.
Let me just.
Nobody is falling off, bro. Come on, bro. You bacon die. No way. I'm not
I just got stoned again.
LOL. 4 players alive. Come on, green bean, die. You green bean. Come on, bro. Die, you green bean. Yes, green bean, come on, die. Yes. Come on, dude. Just die already.
I'm lagging like crazy. I feel like I'm in 10,000.
Come on, bro. No, this green bean is so lucky.
Gosh, I got a reason again.
No, come on.
I'm getting stuck at stone.
No, why is this guy so good? Come on, G. No, no.
Don't.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
A 1v1 ko. No, you might fall. No, I died.
Magic events in history, Sonic.
Okay, I have the new spring. I think the extended slap is really good. Wait, I'm gonna try the spring.
I
Ooh,
slapped the wrong guy.
LOL. What does the spring one do?
Oh,
Oh, it lets me jump high. Bro, you got frozen again. Okay, we just double slapped him. Come on, bro. No.
I almost killed him.
No. What's the next one? Swapper.
2 more slap points
350.
and I'm gonna get the next slap.
What's the next lap?
I don't know. It's worth. It costs 25 slap points.
Bro, 25 really, bro?
Bro, I'm new. Don't you dare.
Bro, the beacon just jumped off. Did you guys see that?
Bro, give up.
Bro gave up.
No.
Bro, there's a hopper. This dude is
my
hopping.
gosh.
No way.
That jump
The
scared
hopper
me.
is so annoying. Yes, I killed someone.
Is the steam slap is good?
I don't know. Bro.
Never mind. I
I
just
know.
fall asleep.
And you can get hit, I think.
Ay! This is good for AFK people.
True. I hit someone off. Yes.
Lol.
Come on, dude. Hit these people off.
This bacon.
Yes.
Shoot!
No way, that slap is
The
actually
green bean! Attack the green bean!
Tuck the green bean.
Boom! It fell.
He fell.
No! I fell too.
Well.
Karma.
Yes, I killed the
Why is
noob.
karma so fast, bro? 25. Oh,
Yes, I killed the guy.
I
That's so
equipped
pro.
the extended slap.
Nice.
Oh
That's
my
my.
God.
It's really good.
Lol. It's so...
I'ma equip that too.
I fell. Oh, okay.
I'ma equip that too.
Alright. Why is it actually so long?
I didn't think that it would be this long. It's literally like not that.
Bro!
I thought it was not that
Why
gonna
is it actually
be
so hard
that
to slap with
extended.
extended slap, bro? Oh, shit.
Bro, why is there so many people? Bro, that skeleton.
Lol.
Bro,
Oh, that skeleton, bro. Oh, that hacker, bro.
the hacker is actually so annoying. No, the skeleton, bro.
This PMO, bro.
The skeleton hit me off again. I'ma change slaps.
PM.
I'ma clap them up. Dual slap. I'ma clap them up, bro.
40, really, bro?
No. I clap this dude off. No. No. What slap is that, bro? What slap is that? I clap this guy up. He killed me.
No! Bro, is this funny?
No.
Bro, you
Bro sleeping. Bro sleeping. I'm at 302 slaps. They're teaming up on you, bro.
I know, right?
They said we were teaming up too. So they decided to team up too, bro.
I'm just sleeping. I'm sleeping.
I have so many slaps, so
Oh
angry.
my.
The beacon is clapping you up.
I know, right? How did that happen, bro? He slapped me even though I'm sleeping.
Sleeping?
Lol. I can't.
It's a letter P,
All
bro.
because of our AI generated pictures. Like,
I just clapped the bacon up.
why am I sleeping?
Come on, bro. Yes, I killed the bacon, OMG. Come on, bro. I killed the noob too.
Bro, the hopper is targeting me.
Me too. Come on, bro.
I'll be
Stop.
right back. I need to get something.
Alright. Let's do this. Let's clap them up. Bro, what is that slap? I'm so close. I'ma slap my cousin. Clap this bacon. No, how did he slap me, bro? Come on, bro. Slap this bacon. I slapped the green bean. By the way, guys, what games do you want us to play next? No!
I'm back.
By the way, guys, what do you want us to play next? Tell us in the comments.
Comment down below.
Yeah.
You! I jumped over that.
Come on,
Yeah.
bro. No, the hacker.
That's piano, bro.
The piano keep falling on me, bro.
Same.
Wait, I think I have the body swap one. Swapper, yes. Whenever I fall, I can slap with people. Swap, I mean. I'm gonna try this one.
Why are they hacking? It's just a game.
Honestly, true, bro.
I'm just gonna sleep.
No! Why is bro sleeping? Bro, that volume. Stop, bro, stop.
Where did I?
Tragic events in history, son.
Why can't I swap with them whenever I'm falling, bro? Yo, what was that? Bro, what?
I can't sleep.
I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging.
I glitched.
Ooh, slap
I
tournament.
joined it.
Me too.
Whatever.
Let's try to win. Team up on them.
You know, you gotta team
It's
up.
normal slaps only. So this is gonna be a bit
Whoa.
easy.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
This bacon.
That bacon, bro. I'ma try to kill this green bean. Yes, I'm killing the green bean. Yes! Come on, bro, just get off!
Just get. No! I died.
No!
You got this. Bro, slap battles is so mean. What the?
I'm lagging, bro. No, delay. Part lag.
Oh, I forgot. I'm not equipping before.
Come on, bro. Just die already, beacon. What is the next slap? Ooh, cool slap. Screwdriver, what's that, bro?
I don't know either.
I'ma try to be flash slap.
Flush like in a toilet?
Teleportation.
No!
I don't like flash slap really.
I need 3 more slap points to get
I just
a new slap.
teleported to the void, bro. Lol. I'ma try to use
Yo!
the extended.
Oh my god. LOL! What
The
was that?
extended slap.
Ow, that hurts.
No, the bacon. Come on. This green bean is jumping around.
Oh! Yo!
I'll be back.
What was that?
Okay. I accidentally slapped you. Sorry. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. I hope
Bye.
you enjoyed. Bye!